akhirnya kita beneran sampai dan kuliah di Amerika. Rasanya kayak mimpi ya kuliah di sini. Tapi jujur, aku deg-degan banget nih sama lingkungannya. Apalagi kita bakal menetap bertahun-tahun sampai kita lulus.
Guys, aku juga ngerasa gitu. Kampus di sini besar banget ya. Terus orang-orang di sini jalan cepet-cepet banget. Semoga kita bisa cepat adaptasi di sini dan nggak bikin salah paham sama orang lokal. Welcome to our intercultural simulation video. In this project, we explore the academic and social journey of two full-time independent Indonesian students pursuing their degrees in the United States. Unlike exchange students on short trip, long-term international students experience deep structural cultural shock throughout this video. We will look at how cultural differences trigger conflict and how cross-cultural theories help build a bridge over these gaps.
Sarah tuh. Hai Sarah, kamu mau coba cemilan kering dari Indonesia? Ini ibu kirim langsung lewat paket bulan lalu.
No, thank you. I don't really eat snake whale tadi.
Oh ya, mumpung ketemu Sabtu ini, kamu ada cara nggak? Aku rencana mau masak makan malam besar di apartemenku, mengundang anak-anak sekelas kita, biar kita makin akrab.
Dinner? Honestly, my weekends strictly reserved for my personal time and resting. Not usually because prepare to keep my school life and private life completely spirit. Thank you for asking.
Ya ampun, kok dia judes banget ya? Padahal kan kita teman satu jurusan. Di Indonesia, kalau berbagi makanan atau ngajak makan bareng, itu cara paling dasar buat ngebangun keakraban. Kok orang Amerika dingin dan individualis banget ya?
Michael, I'm sorry I'm late. The campus adult took much longer to arrive because of the sudden heavy rain.
Dewi, our group meeting was strictly scheduled for 3 p.m. Time management is crucial for me because I have a part-time job at 3:30. Since we lost 15 minutes, let's skip to small talk, divide the 4-point slide immediately, and I expect cute part to be uploaded to the share grid by tonight.
Okay, Michael, I will do my best to finish it.
Kaku banget ya ampun, gak nanya kabar atau basa-basi dulu, langsung tembak ke tugas. Kesannya kok gak ada ramah-ramahnya sama sekali, bikin stres aja.
So, we want to critique the main methodology utilized by the author in this case study. What are your personal thoughts on this? Do you agree with the conclusion?
Yes, Professor Adam, I think the article is very good and well written. I agree with the author's points.
Don't just not long to be polite. Speak your mind. Challenge the theory if you find it. That is how we learn here.
What we just witnessed are classic examples of intercultural communication conflict caused by deep-rooted cultural values. Let's break down the cause using specific issue theories.
Cross-cultural understanding theories. The first is individualism versus collectivism. Collectivism. Indonesia is highly collectivistic. Here, sharing food and holding communal social gathering are the foundation of closeness. Individualism. The US is highly individualistic, such as Sarah's rejection was not out of personal malice, but rather practicing the strict separation of private personal matters from campus affairs, compartmentalization. Next is monochronic time orientation. American culture adheres to a monochronic time system. Our time is money. Punctuality is seen as a form of absolute professionalism, such as Michael acted strictly and directly not because he was rude, but because he was respecting his commitment to his part-time work schedule. High versus low context communication. American use low context communication, explicit, direct, and exactly as is it. Indonesian students are accustomed his high content communication, where they avoid conflict and say good or not to maintain social harmony, which is conversely misinterpreted in the US as a lack of critical competence. Power distance. In Indonesia, high power distance, critiquing authority or professor is considered disrespectful. In the US, low power distance, professors position themselves as academic peers where students are expected to actively debate and analyze independently.
Bagas, setelah aku baca-baca lagi tentang budaya akademik di sini, ternyata cara merespon kita yang salah. Kita nggak bisa pakai standar kesopanan komunal kita di sini. Prof Adam itu pengen kita kritis, dan Michael itu cuma profesional menghargai waktu kerja paruh waktunya.
Kamu bener Wi, kita harus buru-buru beradaptasi. We need to adjust our communication style. Let's practice being direct and expressive. Aku bakal coba ngomong lagi sama Sarah, tapi dengan cara yang lebih memahami batas privasi dia. Hey Sarah, I just want to say that I totally respect your busy schedule with work and studies. No hard feelings at all about the dinner. But if you ever want to have a quick studies session for the upcoming midterms, let me know.
Oh wow, thanks for saying that, Bagas. I appreciate it big time. I didn't mean to sound harsh either. I'm just waiting to job to pay my rent. Actually, a study session sound awesome. Okay, let's meet up delivery next Thursday.
Professor Adam, I would like to offer a critique. I strongly disagree with the other solution because it completely overlooks the intention variables and infrastructural limitation in developing countries. A more localized model is needed.
Excellent analysis, Debbie. That is exactly the kind of the critical insight I am looking for in this seminar. Well done.
Dari pengalaman hidup dan kuliah mandiri jangka panjang di luar negeri, kami belajar bahwa terjun ke lingkungan baru pasti akan membawa kejutan budaya atau culture shock.
Tapi hal itu bukan alasan bagi kita untuk menutupi diri, menyerah, atau langsung menghakimi kebiasaan orang lokal sebagai hal yang kasar.
Exactly, cross-cultural understanding is not about forgetting who you are, but about expanding your boundaries. When we realize different doesn't mean we connect better.
And for us as locals, it's a great opportunity to practice patience, quality, and inclusivity. Diversity makes our academic community much stronger.
Bridging cultural differences requires mutual empathy, critical thinking, and open communication. Keep learning, keep adjusting, and never stop speaking your mind.
Bridging cultural differences through
Communication,
Education.
and empathy. See you!